Get to work on time with this very easy to wear Chelsea boot from Ariat. This silhouette uses a genuine bovine leather upper. It has the waterproof Pro construction to keep water at bay on the outside while wicking it away on the inside. There's reinforcement materials in the soft toe as well as in the heel for a secure and durable fit, while that wide square toe design is going to give your feet extra room to move. It has dual gore panels on each side so you can slip your foot in and out easily, and the inner lining is made of textile and polyester to keep it cool and breathable. This silhouette comes with an all-day cushioning foam footbed to help lessen fatigue when you're standing for long hours, and it's weld stitched in the middle to give it extra durability. The outsole is made with oil and slip resistant rubber, giving you lots of traction and reliable wear resistance with a super durable fit.